See the view? My favorite view. Check this out. It's March 8th, Saturday, 2024. Let's go to the other end. Let's see, maybe we're lucky. We might see a fish. Mining in Washoe Valley and the Comstock in 1859. The discovery of silver in the nearby Comstock lode of Virginia City. Blanca, you ready to go to Lake Tahoe? Are you coming? Are you coming? Okay. It looks like a yes to me. Okay. Blanca is always happy every time we want to go outside. You know, dogs are meant to go outside, not just inside the house. Alright, come on. Let's go. Are you coming? Good morning, Polanca. Polanca is so warm and cozy. Are you warm and cozy, Polanca? I put his jacket today. I don't know. It feels like a little chilly today. So today we are heading to Lake Tahoe, downtown. There's a beautiful place that I'm going to show you. So I'm sure a lot of people locally have seen that place, but it will be nice. First and nice. All right, come and join us. We'll bring you back. Says we are officially 6,000 feet elevation above sea level. So we're getting there. cameras. 7,000 feet. See the blue? That's the water. That's Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe is blue. Yes, Polanka? I know you like Lake Tahoe. Oh, it's beautiful. Hope you can see it. Yeah, we're gonna go down there. Maya maya. Beautiful house on the left side. Nasa tuktok. Ay! What if may malaglag na bato? Patay. Alright, we're entering Cape Rock. Let's slow down a little bit. Ice in tunnel, it says. Oh, it's glorious. Polanka, is that pretty? Yay, we did it. Oh, look at that. The water. Lake Tahoe. Okay. We're not going on that side. We're going to the other side. But that's Cape Rock Landing. The ones with a boat. Everything, mountains and stuff. Yeah, casino. Okay, so we got Harris on the left side, Bally's, Harvey's on the right, and then there's a new building. What is this? Golden Nugget on the right. I didn't know that there's a Golden Nugget. So Bally's, Harris, Harvey's, Golden Nugget. Looks like those are the four major ones. Nice and quiet. Actually, it's gonna be busy today because it's Saturday. Most of the people are off. So they're gonna be out taking their families, kids, playing snow. So we're getting closer to the place that we're going. Go that way or this way? Not listening. The water is so clean. It's beautiful. Can you see the view? Oh, it's awesome. This way, Polanka? Let's check it out here. Dito. Good boy. Careful. My goodness. It is incredibly pretty. Let's go on this side. Oh my goodness, very long line for the skiers and snowboarders. This is heavenly. Oh my goodness, you see that, Polanka? Yikes. You're gonna have a very special VIP to be on the shorter lane. Polanka? Oh my gosh, all the way here? No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh, snowboarders enthusiast. Abadi. obviously because of the snow that we had. Typically I can go down here and then drive all the way and it's still not wet. But today, oh yeah, it's wet. Water everywhere. All right, Blanca, are you coming? You wanna come? It's not very cold. All of a sudden, it's warm. Yeah. Oh. It almost become like a swamp. Oh, here's the car. There's 3 of us. There's 2 more over there. And my favorite view. I really like that view. Come on, let's go to the other end. Let's see, maybe we're lucky. We might see a fish. Come. You want to see a fish? Yeah? A crabs maybe? Oh, be careful. My favorite view. Check this out. It's March 8th, Saturday, 2024. By summer, I bet there's only teeny water left because, you know, it evaporates. It's just us. There you go, everybody. 360 degrees view of Washoe Lake. There is a lot of snow on that side. All right, Blanca, we go on that side. Let's check it out. Be careful. Dirty. The Washoe. Early inhabitants. Washoe Valley has been inhabited since prehistoric times. Washoe Valley and Washoe Lake, or Soyadao. Majestic mountains. A view from the valley. The mountain range you see before you see is the Carson Range, a spur of the majestic Sierra Nevada. This range is about 50 miles long from north to south. Mining in Washoe Valley. Washoe Valley and the Comstock in 1859. The discovery of silver in the nearby Comstock lode of Virginia City brought thousands of miners, loggers, and traders to Washoe Valley. People camped in wagons, tents, and temporary brush shelters. Seemingly overnight, houses were built anywhere and everywhere. Nikki, why did you bark earlier? Did you see some bad people? Pulangka. You're nice, are you? I know you are. Ganda, no? Very nice. Is that pretty? There you go, it gets closer. It's amazing. Polanka, are you liking the view? Polanka said yes. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. We had a great time. 1 hour, 2 hour trip. And we're heading back now. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for the new subscribers, old and new, of course. And we'll see you on the next video. All right. Bye-bye.